Hey everyone, welcome to the channel again. In this video, I will share with you how can you live a suspended app on Google Play Store. Sometimes we got suspend, and nowadays Google frequently suspend any account, but they are not suspend like magically. There are actually issues to suspend the app. They are strict more and more by day, so we have to obey their privacy policies, and we have to upload the app according to their privacy policies. So you can see that one app is suspended, which is AWS app developer. uh, this person is reached to me to solve the issues, and let's solve the issues. You can see that when Google mail you, they are defined some problem for rejecting the app. You can see that what is the issue actually. In app experience repeated app rejection. That means Google send you the rejection message, but you ignoring it or try to solve it without knowing anything, just trying to solve it another way, but Google not defining that way to solve the issues. So we have to solve properly the problem first, then we have to update the app or apply for the solution. Like if I go to this account, this app is suspended, and if I going to the inbox section, you can see that first of all app is rejected. Then when, without changing anything, without solving anything, if the developer publish the app, try to publish the app again, that after that the app is suspended. So you have to know how can you solve the issues. When app is rejected, click on go to policy status and view the email. If you don't know anything, then you can contact with me. I can solve the issues, and let's solve the issues here. First of all, after suspending the app, you can go to that app. Let's see, this app is suspended. I am clicking on it, and you can see the dashboard of app, and we cannot do anything on the dashboard, right? We cannot do anything in this dashboard. Here you can see that view email, that means the email you got from the Google, and you can also see that email in here, and you can see that advanced notice form to solve the issues, and you can see another option is appeal. If you click on it, then you can see that two options. I believe that is incorrect. That means your app is correct, but Google wrongly or mistakenly they suspend it, or you understand what the issues and you will fix the issues. This is the another option, and we have to maximum time follow this one, because Google is very strict, and when Google decided, they cannot do anything. Then you have to fill up the form. If you understand what leads to these issues and have a plan for you, will fix it, submit the appeal. If your appeal approved, then you must fix these issues before you send your app for review. Then you have to describe that how can you got rejection, and you have to provide the exact issues and exactly how can you solve the issues in future, and you have to confirm that you cannot never do this again. Then this is the optional issues. After that you can just submit a appeal. After submitting appeal, it will take 2, 3 or 4 days to check the Google. Sometime it will take more than 2, 3 or 4 days. So this is the one way. Another way is go to the all app, that means your console account dashboard, and create new app. If you create new app, then you have to solve the issues that causes your app was rejected. You have to solve it before then you can publish the app again on your app, on your console account. From the create app you can create like new app here, and this app was rejected and I have solved the issues and sent to review. It is in review. After that Google will publish it, I think, because I have published lots of applications in previous. You already seen that previous project, and I am managing and maintaining lots of console account. I have an experience with 3 years, 3 years and almost 4 years, because I started uh, Google Play Console on 2021. I'm sorry. And if you face any issues with your Google Play Console account, you can contact with me. All contact details you will find on the description box. That's it. And if you want to see another console account mine, this is also, you can see that lots of companies console account I am managing and maintaining. So feel free to ask me any questions. Thank you.